At the base of the Wasatch Mountains in Lehi, Utah, Texas Instruments' latest 300mm wafer fab has started production. Engineers and technicians have been bringing the most advanced tools in manufacturing online as operations ramp at LFab, TI's second 300mm wafer fab to start production in 2022. 7 miles of overhead automation speeds production through a vast clean room spanning more than 275,000 square feet. Every step and every process executed with a commitment to responsible, sustainable manufacturing. Because being a good neighbor and building stronger communities are as important as the products we make. At full production, LFab will manufacture tens of millions of analog and embedded chips every day to enable the electronics that touch every part of our lives. Texas Instruments, building the next era of semiconductor manufacturing.